friends, welcome back. So far, we have talked about the basic template files and how they work. Now let's dive into template parts, what they are and why they are useful. Template parts are essentially partial templates, similar to headers and footers. However, unlike headers and footers that WordPress loads by default, template parts are custom elements that you can create and use as needed. For example, let's say you are displaying footer widgets or you want the same footer content to appear on all of the pages. Instead of creating separate template files for each instance of the footer, you can create and use a template part to reuse the same code wherever needed and display the footer content. Template parts are especially useful for components like image cards, postcards, or individual post displays. Here's how it works. You can create a template file that contains the necessary HTML markup and apply CSS for its design. This file can then be reused wherever you need it. For instance, in WordPress, you may have files like the content excerpt, content none, content page, content single, etc. If you check the index.php file, you will see how the template parts are referenced here. Typically, you will have the template parts folder, which will contain the subfolders like the content, the excerpt, the footer, header, etc. And these subfolders will contain the template part files. Functions like the get template part are used where you can conditionally load specific template files such as the excerpt or the full post content depending on the theme settings or conditions. So this function takes the path to the template part file. It also takes the file name prefix, which we can see here, and to get the suffix we can use